welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on deep breathing. This tool will help when you're feeling stressed, maybe even having anxiety, or if you're feeling like you're just getting overwhelmed with the day's tasks. When we're talking about deep breathing, it's important to notice that the breath comes in through the nose and out through the mouth. This prevents you from hyperventilating because you're being conscious of taking in the air from a different location than exhaling. Another option too is to count the breaths. I often have my clients do block breathing, in which you count for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold at the bottom for 4. Today we're going to be practicing just regular old deep breathing. But I do encourage you to utilize the counting if you find that you get lost in the breath and you begin to hyperventilate. When we're doing deep breathing, it's important to make sure your lungs are fully full at the top and make sure you're completely exhaling all air within your body. Let's try it now. As you can see on that exhale, I really allowed all the air to decrease. You could see my shoulders moving up and down and really feeling the tension exhaling through the body. Being mindful of what you're doing the deep breathing for in the moment can help you release that tension on that exhale. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, quick, and easy, and I'll see you in the next one.